Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to talk about a wait keyword in C#. So here I have a method with async keywords, async and await, and I'm just simulating a SMS sending situation using task delay. So suppose this is an SMS provider sending this message to an API out of our application. And notice that in here I'm not using an await keyword. So this is a fire and forget call. Let's check this out. So I put two breakpoints here and I run application in debug mode. This is my message and I send now and I continue, and immediately you go to the next page. You don't wait for the whole 5 seconds to move from line 28 to 29, and that's because we are not using a wait keyword. And the other method did work. We didn't have to use a wait to make sure that the asynchronous method is working. So you don't need an await keyword here. But what can go wrong? If I don't have to use await keyword here and this method works without await keyword, why at all we should use await keyword? So let's go back to this method and let's simulate an exception using this line, invalid operation exception, and let's try to catch it here. Try, and I put this one here, and let's see if we can catch it down here. Console write line X message. Let's debug. This is my message and I send this and I continue here. Notice that we didn't wait for 5 seconds because of this line, because we were not using a wait keyword. That's fine, but also we didn't catch the error. We had a try catch and an exception handling mechanism, but it didn't work. Let's continue, and the worst thing is that we are telling the user that everything went successfully, but that's not what happened. Because if you check the logs, there is no message sent log here, and we didn't reach this line of code at all. But if I go back and add an await keyword here, and with await I need to use async, and async I need to use tasks. Let's stop and run the application again. This time we are expecting to catch the exception. So let's send this message. We are here. We need to wait for 5 seconds, and then as you can see here, we catched the exception. This is the message for our exception, and continue. This time we know the sending of message was not successful, and we can manage it somehow. At least we can tell the user that something went wrong and we are not able to send the message. So it's fine to not use await keyword with async methods, but you should accept the fact that it is totally fire and forget mechanism, and you are not going to catch any errors if that happens. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon.